Welcome to this video on using corrugated cardboard as mulch in your garden. Mulch plays a key role in gardening, helping to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and add nutrients to the soil as it decomposes. Corrugated cardboard is an innovative and sustainable mulch option that's gaining popularity among gardeners. In this video, we'll explore how corrugated cardboard can be used as mulch, providing you with a step-by-step guide to implementing it in your garden. We'll also discuss the benefits and drawbacks of using cardboard, and share some best practices to help you get the most out of this unique mulching method. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of what corrugated cardboard mulch is, how to use it, and what to expect when incorporating it into your gardening routine. Let's get started. Corrugated cardboard, commonly used in packaging and shipping, is a versatile material made from multiple layers of paper. Its structure typically consists of two flat outer layers, known as linerboards, sandwiching a fluted middle layer. This design gives corrugated cardboard its characteristic strength and flexibility, allowing it to withstand pressure and resist tearing. Linerboard, the outer layer of corrugated cardboard, is made from paper pulp, which can be sourced from recycled materials or virgin wood. The middle layer, known as the corrugation, is created by running a sheet of paper through a machine that gives it a wavy, accordion-like shape. This middle layer provides strength and rigidity, allowing corrugated cardboard to serve as an effective packaging material. Corrugated cardboard is designed to protect its contents during shipping, but its durability also makes it useful in garden applications. Its layered structure is ideal for blocking sunlight, a key factor in weed suppression, while its biodegradability ensures it eventually breaks down, contributing to soil health. Some types of corrugated cardboard may have coatings or additional treatments to improve durability or water resistance. This can affect how quickly the cardboard decomposes in the garden. When using corrugated cardboard as mulch, it's best to choose uncoated cardboard to ensure it breaks down naturally. Overall, the unique structure and versatility of corrugated cardboard make it a suitable candidate for use as mulch. It provides a sturdy barrier against weeds while decomposing into organic matter that enriches the soil. Now that we've discussed what corrugated cardboard is, let's move on to the step-by-step process for using it as mulch in your garden. This will cover how to prepare the area, apply the cardboard, and add a layer of organic mulch for optimal results. Using corrugated cardboard as mulch involves a few simple steps to ensure effective weed suppression and proper decomposition. The process begins with preparing the garden area, laying down the cardboard, and then covering it with organic mulch. Here's a detailed guide on how to use corrugated cardboard as mulch in your garden. Start by preparing the area where you intend to mulch. This typically involves clearing away any large debris, rocks, or other obstacles that might puncture the cardboard. If the area contains grass, mow it to a low height to create a smooth surface for the cardboard. Raking up excess grass clippings or leaves can also help to ensure the cardboard lays flat and doesn't have air pockets underneath. Once the area is prepared, cut the corrugated cardboard to fit the desired sections. It's crucial to overlap the cardboard by 8 inches to prevent weeds from growing through gaps or seams. This overlap creates a continuous barrier that blocks sunlight, effectively suppressing weeds. For large areas, use larger pieces of cardboard or connect smaller pieces to cover the entire space. After placing the cardboard, it's important to moisten it. This step aids decomposition and helps the cardboard settle into the soil. A light spray with a garden hose is usually sufficient, ensuring the cardboard is damp but not soaked. Moistening also prevents the cardboard from being blown away by strong winds. The next step is to apply a layer of organic mulch on top of the cardboard. This layer serves two purposes. It holds the cardboard in place and provides additional weed suppression. Organic mulch can include compost, straw, wood chips, or other biodegradable materials. The depth of the mulch will depend on your gardening needs, but a thickness of 3 to 6 inches is typically recommended. For areas with heavy foot traffic or high wind, additional stakes or other methods may be needed to secure the cardboard and mulch in place. Once the cardboard and mulch are properly applied, the area should be left to rest for several months to allow the cardboard to decompose and the mulch to settle. This process can take place over the winter, giving you a garden bed ready for planting in the spring. After this resting period, you can make holes in the cardboard and mulch to plant your desired crops or flowers. Using corrugated cardboard as mulch is a simple yet effective way to create new garden beds and suppress weeds without using chemicals or heavy machinery. The process outlined above provides a clear and practical guide for implementing this technique in your garden. With the steps for applying corrugated cardboard as mulch covered, let's explore the advantages and disadvantages of using this method. Understanding the pros and cons will help you make an informed decision about whether this technique is suitable for your gardening needs. Using corrugated cardboard as mulch has several significant advantages, which contribute to its growing popularity among gardeners. One of the key benefits is its ability to suppress weeds. Because corrugated cardboard has a dense structure, it effectively blocks sunlight from reaching the soil, which is crucial for inhibiting the growth of unwanted plants. This characteristic makes it an effective method for controlling weeds without resorting to chemical herbicides. Another advantage is that corrugated cardboard is biodegradable. As it breaks down, it adds organic matter to the soil, which can improve soil structure and promote the health of beneficial microorganisms. This natural decomposition also contributes to nutrient cycling, enhancing the soil's fertility over time. Corrugated cardboard is also cost-effective and widely available. Many households and businesses have an abundance of cardboard from packaging and deliveries, making it an economical choice for gardeners seeking mulch options. This availability not only reduces costs, but also promotes recycling and reusing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills. In addition to its weed-suppressing and biodegradable properties, corrugated cardboard has the added benefit of attracting earthworms. As it decomposes, earthworms are drawn to the moist, organic environment it creates. Earthworms play a vital role in improving soil aeration and nutrient cycling through their castings, which further enrich the soil. Corrugated cardboard is also versatile in its application. It can be used to create new garden beds, suppress weeds in existing beds, or even act as a base layer for larger landscaping projects. Its flexibility allows gardeners to cut and shape it to fit various spaces and configurations. These advantages make corrugated cardboard a practical and sustainable choice for mulch in many gardening scenarios. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential drawbacks and limitations. To help you make an informed decision about whether to use this material in your garden, let's examine the cons of using corrugated cardboard as mulch and discuss how to mitigate them. While using corrugated cardboard as mulch has numerous benefits, there are some drawbacks to consider before implementing this technique in your garden. A key disadvantage is that cardboard can reduce the flow of oxygen and water into the soil. The dense structure that makes it effective at suppressing weeds can also hinder soil aeration, which is critical for root health and microbial activity. Reduced oxygen levels in the soil can slow plant growth and impact the soil's biological processes. Another drawback is that corrugated cardboard can take a while to decompose, especially if it's not properly moistened or is used in arid climates. If the cardboard doesn't break down quickly, it can create a barrier that impedes water penetration. This can lead to water pooling on the surface instead of reaching plant roots, which can negatively affect soil health and plant growth. Chemical contamination is another potential issue. Some types of cardboard, especially those with glossy coatings or colored inks, may contain harmful substances like PFAs, forever chemicals. These chemicals can leach into the soil, posing risks to plant health and the wider environment. To mitigate this risk, it's best to use plain, uncoated cardboard and avoid waxed or glossy varieties. Weed penetration can also be a problem if the cardboard isn't properly overlapped or secured. Weeds are persistent and can find their way through seams or gaps, compromising the cardboard's effectiveness as a mulch. To address this, ensure proper overlapping and secure the cardboard with stakes or mulch to keep it in place. Corrugated cardboard's cellulose content can attract termites, which can be a concern if used near building foundations or structures. If termites are an issue in your area, avoid placing cardboard close to your home's foundation or other wooden structures. Additionally, using corrugated cardboard as mulch in areas with high wind or foot traffic can be problematic if not adequately secured, as it may shift or blow away. These cons highlight the need for careful consideration and proper implementation when using corrugated cardboard as mulch. By understanding these drawbacks, you can take steps to mitigate them and make the most of this unique mulching option. Having covered the pros and cons, let's now explore best practices for using corrugated cardboard as mulch. These tips will help ensure that your garden reaps the benefits of this material while avoiding the potential pitfalls. To maximize the benefits of using corrugated cardboard as mulch and minimize potential issues, it's important to follow certain best practices. Properly preparing and applying the cardboard, as well as maintaining it over time, will ensure effective weed suppression and promote soil health. Start by choosing the right type of cardboard. Plain, uncoated corrugated cardboard is the best option, as it breaks down naturally and doesn't contain harmful chemicals. Avoid using glossy or waxed cardboard, as these coatings can hinder decomposition and affect water penetration. Additionally, remove any tape, staples, or stickers from the cardboard before using it in your garden to ensure a clean, biodegradable layer. When applying corrugated cardboard, ensure that you overlap the edges by 6-8 inches to create a continuous barrier. This overlap is crucial for preventing weeds from growing through gaps or seams. After laying the cardboard, moisten it with a garden hose to help it settle and start decomposing. Proper moisture is key to avoiding the issues of reduced oxygen flow and water penetration. Securing the cardboard is another essential step. Use garden stakes or other methods to keep the cardboard in place, especially in windy areas. This prevents the cardboard from shifting or blowing away, ensuring it stays in position for effective weed suppression. Once the cardboard is in place, apply a thick layer of organic mulch on top. This layer serves to hold the cardboard down, suppress weeds, and add additional organic matter to the soil. Compost, straw, or wood chips are common choices for mulch, and the ideal thickness is typically between 3 and 6 inches. The mulch also helps keep the cardboard moist, aiding its decomposition. Maintenance is important to ensure the continued effectiveness of corrugated cardboard as mulch. Over time, the mulch layer may thin as it decomposes. It's important to replenish the mulch to maintain its weed-suppressing qualities. Check for weeds that may have grown through seams or around the edges, and remove them promptly to prevent them from spreading. With these best practices in mind, corrugated cardboard can be an effective and sustainable mulch option for your garden. By following these guidelines, you can create a successful garden bed while minimizing potential drawbacks. Using corrugated cardboard as mulch offers a sustainable and effective solution for gardeners seeking to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and improve soil health. Its unique structure and biodegradability make it a practical choice for creating new garden beds or revitalizing existing ones. By following the step-by-step guide provided in this video, gardeners can implement corrugated cardboard mulch with confidence, knowing they are utilizing a resourceful and eco-friendly technique. Additionally, understanding the advantages, disadvantages, and best practices associated with using corrugated cardboard as mulch empowers gardeners to make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of this innovative method.